Welcome to our fruits and vegetables separation game. Look carefully and decide, is it a fruit or a vegetable? Let's begin. Apple. Apple is a fruit. Pumpkin. Pumpkin is a vegetable. Watermelon. Watermelon is a fruit. Green pepper. Green pepper is a vegetable. Cabbage. Cabbage is a vegetable. Pear. Pear is a fruit. Bitter gourd. Bitter gourd is a vegetable. Papaya. Papaya is a fruit. Pomegranate. Pomegranate is a fruit. Carrot. Carrot is a vegetable. Cucumber. Cucumber is a vegetable. Potato. Potato is a vegetable. Melon. Melon is a fruit. Mango. Mango is a fruit. Coconut. Coconut is a fruit. Grapes. Grapes are a fruit. Radish. Radish is a vegetable. Garlic. Garlic is a vegetable. Peach. Peach is a fruit. Orange. Orange is a fruit. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is a fruit. Bean. Bean is a vegetable. Pineapple. Pineapple is a fruit. Lettuce. Lettuce is a vegetable. Tomato. Tomato is a vegetable. Brinjal. Brinjal is a vegetable. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a vegetable. Banana. Banana is a fruit. Onion. Onion is a vegetable. Beetroot. Beetroot is a vegetable. Turnip. Turnip is a vegetable. Mushroom. Mushroom is a vegetable. Strawberry. Strawberry is a fruit. Citrus fruit. Citrus fruit is a fruit. Wow, you did an amazing job! Now you know how to separate fruits and vegetables. Keep learning, keep playing, and keep smiling. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch more fun learning videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.